यहाँ पे एक चेयर लगा देते हैं और ये यहाँ रख देते हैं, तो ये थोड़ा अच्छा, ये थोड़ा बस हो गया। एक चेयर आगे करते हैं, नहीं आगे आगे फ्रेम नहीं आना चाहिए। हाँ एक और, हाँ अभी इसके ऊपर संभाल के भाई, भारी हो गया होगा। हाँ
बाबू साइड हो जा।
टी शर्ट में ना
भाई ले रहा हूँ।
ले रहा हूँ।
यस मैम फाइन। आप कैसे हो मैम? एक सेकेंड मैम, ग्लास एक ग्लास एक ग्लास विदाउट ग्लास प्लीज। हाँ या यस मैम,
थैंक यू।
या थैंक यू।
देखिए
मैं देख रहा हूँ। मैं
Their species in Bombay.
Really? Because industry to them also.
Local वाले तो नहीं जो
Actors. Yeah. They're all very creative people.
Oh, talk about.
बालो चलो हो गया।
Hello, hi, morning. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We met before.
खोल लो।
We have somewhere.
ट्रैफिक खोल लो
भाई आगे करो।
पीछे है ना?
ऐसा करेगा।
You guys are forgetting.
I'm Gauri's best friend since bachpan se. Unfortunately, I'm stuck with him as a friend. He's the loveliest and a lot of other people. Yeah, brand classes.
बैक आ रहा है।
Oh, will need one more for my. So sorry.
All right, are we ready?
एक सेकंड
So first of all, everybody, thank you so much for being here with us and taking our time for us. Also, our intention at Rules always is
वो टेबल में वो
Are you stuff? Fine? No, not really. Fine. Absolutely. It's a hot day. We're all used to working under the sun, in the heat. Come ruin or rapture, we all work. Absolutely. So and today is a very special day. Yeah, today is a special day. It's hot. We've booked this from morning to evening because it's getting and but the love is always there no matter what happens, whatever the weather might be. And first of all, I want to thank you for taking your time and joining us here today. So guys, everyone, just to give you a heads up, at Rules basically our intention is to make small efforts which go a long way to make differences in the lives of pets. We like to give back to society with these voiceless ones, and basically show them in a way of expressing our gratitude. And we have a very special person with us today. We have Moni. Let's give a round of applause to her. Thank you so much for being a part of this initiative, Moni. Well, you all know her and she needs no introduction, but I'll still do this because... No, you don't need to. Don't embarrass me, please. Please don't embarrass me. Why would you say that? We don't need to do this because today we're here for a cause, for something that surpasses all of us, something that is so vital and so fundamental to living. As human beings, we all need, the least that we need is good food, good nutrition. That's something that I'm really thankful to Rules for, that they are taking care of it for our stray pups. They have equal rights to all that we do, and food and nutrition is the least of it. So thank you to all the wonderful work that you guys are doing and having me here today. It's an absolute pleasure and an honor to be able to do this with you guys.
Me too. Any words? So, being associated, I'm a member from Rules, and it is one of my best journey in the corporate section. where I get to follow my hobby of continuing to be an animal lover and get paid for it. So it's absolutely fantastic. But you know, the way our founder, Mr. Fahim Sultan, looks at his responsibilities towards this world is that we have to give back to the society and to the voiceless animals who are such an important part of us. You know, we think we aren't important to the society, but actually they are a very important part of the society. If we don't have them, a lot of the ecological balance will also get disturbed. Something that we all humans need to understand and look after and take care of this treaty. So this donation is a very important part of our discipline and a very important part of our company discipline. We like to do this. We like to align with celebrities who are also animal lovers and pet parents. Moni herself is a pet parent to two beautiful doggos, and we will continue to do the good work and keep feeding the strays and keep loving them.
You said that she has 2 dogs.
Yes.
ये मुझे
Tell us
किसने बोला?
more about them. Oh my god, they are the love of my life. Theo and Alpha. Theo is a Maltese, Alpha is a toy poodle, and they have changed my life for better. They give you so much love and it's unconditional, you know. They don't want anything else except love and their treats. And they want their snacks and treats.
That is non-negotiable.
That's not negotiable. Yes. So yeah, what can I say? They light up my world and they give me immense joy. Absolutely. And as you can see, we're not allowed to talk when they're around because it's all about them and them wanting love.
That's butter.
That's
Hi,
butter. Butter, you're buttering. Are you buttering, Moni? As you can see clearly, all 3 people sitting in front of you are animal lovers, and I think everyone, even behind the camera, the reason why you all are here today is because of your love for animals, and that's what brings us all together. At Rules, our objective at Rules is to basically just make life easier for our pets as well as for us. And we are here today because Rules and Moni have been in collaboration.
Butter.
Treat, snack, butter, snack. Butter.
Shake the container.
The sound is what gets
Yeah.
them.
There you go. Ow! Good job. All the cats are
Together,
also.
everybody is here now.
And the cat's like, okay, why am I missing out?
Now the cats are also.
I think they
We have
have
something
something
for the cats also.
today with us. So, like I was saying, we come together with Moni and Rules basically to donate 3 months worth of pet food to your association All About Them Foundation. It's lovely what you guys are doing. Absolutely lovely. And I think since 2019, you guys have been successfully, you've operated 5,500 cats and 400 dogs.
10,000.
This is clearly an old information from Wikipedia, I'm assuming. So hats off to you guys. Thank you. Thank you for adding and contributing to the society. And now we shall have Moni donate the 3 months of food supply.
So,
Moni didn't get it. Traumatized. It's never eaten.
Zoe.
Yeah.
Good girl. One more.
By the way, you've not met the cutest one. Oh, Trishula is so cute.
That's Cherry.
Hi, Cherry. Hello. Hi, Cherry. Hi, Charu. Hi, Baba. Hi, Cherry.
She, no? She or he? She.
अरे कुठून जाणार तू?
She can smell the treat from my hand.
हे काय फोन आहे फोन माझा.
Cherry's got lots of love already today. The perks of being born with hazel eyes are. Thank you. Pleasure. As always.
मॅडम one sec ma'am.
You want to take Cherry back?
कैमरा पीछे लेना.
That sound is good.
मॅडम ये नंतर ठेवू ना जरा 1 मिनिट भाऊ. अरे
फोटो कर लो वो साइड में ले लो, फोटो करने दो भाई.
फोटो करने देना फोटो करने
मैं फोन करने दे
Right under your chair. Yeah. Fully chilling.
थोड़ा सा
क्या नाम है इनका?
Cherry.
चेरी।
Hi, Cherry.
चेरी।
Look there. What is there?
नाम ये। चेरी। चेरी।
Oh, no, I don't like that.
Cherry.
I don't love
Take a picture with me and Cherry.
मैडम सेम पूरी याद है ना? हाँ ये वो नीचे देख रहा है। चेरी। चेरी। चेरी।
Cherry को समझ नहीं आ रहा है इतने लोग मेरा नाम क्यों ले रहे हैं आज.
हाँ
बटर तो कुछ जगह नहीं पर नहीं जाने.
हाँ हो गया।
What would you like to say about rules and आज आप आए हो इसके बारे में क्या कुछ कहना है?
यही कहना चाहूँगी कि रूल्स इट्स एन अमेजिंग इनिशिएटिव बाय रूल्स. आई थिंक यू गाइस स्टार्टेड इन 2019.
Yes.
I read up about it, and it's very endearing to see you care for the ones who actually are so essential to our society. Fundamentally, so much love, you know. So और जैसे रोटी कपड़ा मकान हम कहते हैं, हमारी बेसिक नीड्स होती है, एंड आई थिंक एज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एनिमल्स हम सबका उसके ऊपर बहुत बहुत राइट है. तो जिस तरह से हमें अच्छे न्यूट्रिशन की ज़रूरत होती है और हम अपने मेक श्योर करते हैं जो हमारे पेट्स हैं, जो हमारे घर में रहते हैं, जो हमारी बेबीज़ हैं, हम मेक श्योर करते हैं कि उन्हें अच्छी न्यूट्रिशन मिले, अच्छा खाना मिले. तो आई थिंक जो हमारे स्ट्रे पप्स है और जिनको जो किसी के घर में नहीं रहते, उनको भी उसी न्यूट्रिशन पर उतना ही हक है. सो व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द NGO? All About Them, right?
All About Them.
So All About Them is doing a brilliant job by giving them food and shelter, and I think this is something so basic and so small that we can do is to come here, care for them, and do whatever little we can do, because no matter how much you do, it's not enough. We need more of them. All about so I just want to thank All About Them for taking care of our little furry friends with so much love, so much affection. And I think Cherry wants to go, so Krish.
इनफैक्ट इंडी डॉग को लेके भी काफ़ी कुछ होता है इम्पोर्टेंट. इट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. और गवर्नमेंट हैज आल्सो सेड इंडियन डॉग्स को लेके व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट दैट इंडियन डॉग्स
In terms of
like how much
Adopting
it is
Indian dogs.
yes, I think that's the most important thing, because I'll say I am also a little faulty towards it. If I had met, say, Trishula before I got my pups, I would have made sure that one of them were indie. And next time I adopt, I'll make sure that one of them are indie, because we have this tendency to, because we live in a world of socials and social media, so whatever information is given to us, we just kind of, I wanted a first one was a gift, and then because he was so lonely at home every time we used to go for work, we decided to get another one. But somehow I feel like, I don't know why it didn't strike me to actually adopt an indie instead of going all the way to Bangalore and get a toy poodle. I love my babies. Now they are a part of my family, so I can't do anything about it, or I can't say anything about it. But the next time I adopt, I'm going to make sure it's an indie.
being a pet parent, do you have any particular story that you would like to share?
Yeah, the first one, having your first pet is like having a baby. You don't know what to do with it. Initially, I think we were calling all the doctors all the time, all the healers all the time. You didn't know when to start their training, if it is too early, if it is too late. You're perpetually confused, and then I think it's the hardest when they fall sick. So I would want everybody to be very, very like my first baby, I got it as my birthday present. So it was a surprise for me. So I wasn't ready at all. So unless it's a present, I think you should gather as much information as possible as to how to take care of your pet and what to give them to, what to feed them in whichever age of their lives. That's so important. To have a proper doctor or nutritionist for them is so important. So I think जैसे आप बच्चे के आने के पहले तैयारियां करते हैं, उसी तरह से एक पेट के आने से पहले भी आपको सतर्क होना पड़ेगा, आपको जानना पड़ेगा, आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि उनके लिए क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा. तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन यू मस्ट हैव.
वर्क फ्रंट की मैं बात करूँ, लास्ट ईयर वेंट
जी.
गतिविधि ब्रह्मास्त्र फर्स्ट
जी.
सीन विद शाहरुख खान. Would you like to say something how it went, everything?
I have said so much about it now in all the interviews about Brahmastra. But yes, I am extremely grateful for that film to have happened to me. Extremely thankful to Ayan that he trusted me with, Junoon. And what can I say? I just feel immense love and gratitude. And it's very overwhelming, the kind of reactions that I've gotten from the audience. And I hope I get versatile roles and get to do different things in this industry. Thank you so much.
And
Thank you.
Second season, like
किसी को नहीं पता, आप प्लीज अयान से पूछो.
apart from that, anything coming up? Any
जी,
plans?
I have just finished shooting for 3 projects. In fact, this year has mostly been about shooting. So one has already been announced. It's called The Virgin Tree. It's a horror comedy. So as and when the makers decide to announce them, you'll all get to know. Thank you. Thank you.
They are fair. Okay.
बट क्या हुआ? कोई और नहीं तो
Okay, last one. Anything else you guys want to ask? Anything else, Mitu?
No, I'm like, I love the way she has covered the whole, aspect of pets and society and streeties and the way we must be there. Like, we are very happy. Like, Drools mein we always try and get celebrities who also feel for the animals as much as we do. इतने सारे पेट फूड कंपनीज हैं, बाहर से भी इंडिया में आते हैं. हम लोग एक इंडियन ब्रांड है, एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी दैट वी आर नाउ गोइंग ग्लोबल. ड्रूल्स इकलौता इंडियन पेट फूड ब्रांड है जो आज की तारीख में कुछ 22 देशों को एक्सपोर्ट करता है, राइट. एंड हम लोग जिस तरीके से इंडिया में हमारा जो पोजिशनिंग है, हम लोग बस यहाँ पे बिजनेस के लिए नहीं है. बिजनेस ऑफकोर्स एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ आवर एग्जिस्टेंस है, लेकिन जो हमारा मूल धार है, दैट इज़ टू लुक आफ्टर पेट्स. वी वॉन्ट टू टेक इट टू like the most elementary level, and that is our community animals. And we are so happy that today we are here and we are doing all this, and we keep doing this activity every month. And we just hope कि हम ये और करते रहें, and gradually we educate everybody to look after our animals, and let's all be together happy.
Yeah, and I don't think people like our
More,
parents.
yes.
So they come more like a mother.
That's a very important part of our selection.
Yeah,
we never look at celebrities who do not have a pet,
Yeah,
because
it's a very maternal instinct,
Yes,
and
yes.
it's how they feel for animals, which brings them here. And talking about Drool, I think you guys have already achieved very big levels of achievements, but I'm sure
there is more to
There's
come.
more
and
to come.
We have you guys also supporting us, so
More to come.
woohoo.
All right, thank you everybody. Thanks a lot. You guys can continue to.
One
keep
second, one picture. Stand.
Yeah.
ऐसा आएगा ही नहीं सब आप.
अच्छा फिर ऐसे ले हॉरिजॉन्टली ले लीजिए. हाँ.
थोड़ा सा.
Jerry, you're too cute. Too cute. Butter? एक भाई से excuse me.
चलो.
आप इधर ही आ जाइए.
आगे होना चाहिए था।
मोनी जी को आगे कीजिए ना, एक्सक्यूज में। अरे आगे उनको बोलो ना।
चल भाई चल।